Today I am going to discuss another powerful strategy, which is a combined strategy with both WebTrader and Martingale. So for which you don't need to download any bot, any scripts. We're just using the basic bot available in the binarybot.com, bot.binary.com default one, and as well as we combine this bot with the WebTrader. Okay, so WebTrader we are going to do manually, and then bot is automatic. We are using the Martingale. Even the Martingale also only 2. Okay, the first level is 0.5 and second level is $6. So this is applicable even for the low investors. If you are really a big investor, you can revise your Martingale according to your level of risk you are going to make it in this market. Okay, so now I am going to show you the how this strategy is going to work. Okay, so watch carefully. Okay, so each and every point is important. Okay, so I already created, just see here, this is bot.binary.com. this is a basic bot. I didn't download any bots, I didn't use any script here. Okay, so another website I opened for webtrader.binary.com. okay, so here what is the strategy is we have to use a 50 volatility index. That is very important. You must use only 50 volatility index, and then this is a digit differ and digit match. So we are going to use only digit differs here. So another important is the prediction level is we have to fix it as 9. Okay, the tick is 3 and then 0.05, 0.5. so this is not a Martingale basis, normal setup of basic bot. So comes to the next website, which is webtrader.binary.com. here you are using same thing. Okay, continuous volatility. So we just wrongly used as 1 second, right? So I am going to use it the continuous volatility 50. Okay, and then the digit, same thing, digit differ, and then the USD is here is Martingale is we are fixing 0.05, sorry 0.5. I am going to fix it for 6. You can make it 7 also, or you can make it 5 also, depends upon your Martingale level. And then tick we are going to use it 1 tick. Here is 3, here is we are going to use it 1, and then prediction is 9 here. Okay, so this is the strategy we following. So here, so while you are doing the 0.05, your profit level is 0.3. okay, 0.03, sorry, 3 cents only, 0.03 only you are going to get. Here 0.54, almost you cover up your loss if this particular bot is going to be wrong. So this is a strategy we are going to follow. One is auto, one is manual, but manual you have to be always alert, immediately you have to put once here is loss. Okay, so just see here how this bot is working. So here we just started, so we following the 3 trade, right? I think my internet is slow. It's take time sometimes starting the bot. Okay, so you have to be alert on, be ready for, once you hear, once you see 9 here, immediately you have to put, even no need to wait. Okay, so that is the strategy we following. Watch carefully how this 2 manual and auto trade is working together as more successful. So why we following this bot? Even you can follow, both are in basis of WebTrader. Okay, so you can use one more, you can open up here and then you can do the manually. But this, if you are starting with the bot, it's avoiding every time you just clicking for the traded. So it's avoiding your time consuming also. Just once your loss is going, only you have to click here. So that is supportive. The bot is supportive for avoiding your both manual trading. That's it. Even you can both apply also with the manual trade. It's up to you. The strategy is, this is the one. Okay, one is with 3 ticks, one is with the 1 tick. But we have to make sure we have to only follow the volatility index 50. Watch carefully. Already you are getting $0.30 profit. So far we don't have any loss. So you have to remember this tick duration is only 1. Okay, and then dollar is martingale. Just immediately you have to put, so to make profit here. Okay, so you already cover up 54 cents, which is loss already here. Okay, so even though 0.11 loss already it's covered, more than 30 cents already profit you have it. So this is the way you have to follow. Okay, so the same loss, maybe you have to be very alert. Immediately you have to put the trade. Even you can try with the different numbers. Let's see the successful rate, but 9 is really successful. You don't find any mistake, no any other further losses from if you are using the 9 prediction. Okay, it's a more accurate prediction for the 50 volatility trade. I will go with another trade and then I will show you the one. So already profit is 0.04. So already cover up the previous 54 cent. So now it's 58 cent profit, almost 70 cent profit already. Even you just giving only very low investment. Even you can start up with $10. You can still can survive. So let's say you are the beginner. I don't have a confidence to put higher investment, and then I don't want to take a risk. Even you can just started with $10 to make it confident about the live market. So these are all the strategies give you the more confident to survive in the live market, as well as you are psychologically being strong. You always make sure you are at least every time you're going with the demo account, better you try with the live account. Okay, so always it's giving the confidence. Just see here. So next trade I tried. Okay, so almost $1.10, 8 cents, right? $1.08 already we cover up, even though we have a loss of 0.31, right? So this is a strategy we are following. Just try, so you can have a more confident. You can while you are running this board plus web trader, you don't have much martingale. Okay, so only one level of martingale only you are implementing here. Okay, so you have to put immediately. Okay, so that is a strategy you have to follow here. Okay, so if you like my channel, subscribe my channel, and I already have some boards in the previous channel video I uploaded. Please subscribe my channel in the email to me. I will give the boards is free. Already have a lot of subscribers. I continuously emailing them as much as soon possible. Okay, so which is fully free. I don't charge any for that one. Okay, so I forgot to put the trade here. Actually you have to follow immediate trade, right? So still you can follow, just see here, still your profit only. Okay, already $2.20, but already just see here 20 cents, almost $1 you already got the profit, even though minus 1.10. Okay, this is a way of trading you have to do. Okay, so again I repeating, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get recent updates, and every day I'm going to give a new strategy, manual strategies, board based strategies, which is absolutely free. Okay, happy trading.